Hello. Now I'm going to show you how to create group discussion topics in Canvas. So here's what we're going to go to discussions. Then we're going to add discussion. And then we're going to go ahead and add the title. So I'll just call this discussion 1. Note that we have a lot of options here in terms of the details. I'm going to go ahead and post this to EDT, and you can set a date that it's available from and until, and you can make it graded, all that good stuff. And I saved it, and here we go. You know what, I'm going to go ahead and publish it. Alright, and now if we go back here, you can see that we can actually drag it and move it around to any of these other sections.